Good morning my beautiful queens. How are you all going today? Hey, this morning guys, I am not feeling the best. I woke up so early. I am just not feeling very good today, guys. Honestly, this is what I look like. I'm wearing my amazing dressing gown. I think I've been in videos with it before, but it is about 10 years old, this dressing gown, and I just can't stop wearing it. It's so cozy, it's so cheap, it's everything, and I have many other dressing gowns, guys, but this is my go-to. It's just made out of that cheap kind of faux mink material, but you'll probably see me wearing it a lot. Anyway, my queens, I wanted to share with you a very fast skincare routine that I'm going to do this morning for myself, because I really wanted to jump on here and share this with you guys, just because it's going to make me feel better. I feel very tired. I run to my self-care when I'm feeling sick. I run to my self-care and my skincare when I'm feeling very frustrated and angry. I run to my self-care and my skincare when I'm feeling that I don't look very good or I just look tragic. I run to it, and it always helps me out, you know. I'm going to show you guys how I kind of get out of this rut and make myself feel better. So hold on up, guys. I'm going to go jump in that shower, freshen myself up, and I will be back and I will share with you my very fast but really great skincare routine in the mornings, eh? Mwah. Okay, my queens, I'm back. Had my shower and I'm feeling a tad bit better. I'm feeling a little bit fresher. Eyes are still very tired. Yeah. So we're gonna fix that, okay? It's that time of the month for me and I'm just not feeling 100. So I want to try and make myself as close to 100 as I possibly can. It's not possible all the time, guys, and it's okay to have bad days, guys, and when you're not feeling 100%, just ride it out, you know. Tomorrow's another day. Let it be. Don't resist. Resistance is not good, guys. I've learned that in my 46 years of life. Resistance is not good. It doesn't work. It just stresses you out. So I wanted to share something with you guys, what I just used in the shower actually, and it's amazing for those days, guys, when you feel like crap. Your skin's not looking, you know, 100, and it's this stuff here, guys. It's a, I call it Dermatology, even though it has no O. DRMTLGY, and it's the same brand as a beautiful sunscreen that they sell. Everyone knows this one. It's really good. I love this. Doesn't play up under makeup. Really good stuff. But in the shower, guys, not every single day, but I'd say 3 times a week I'd use it. I use their microdermabrasion scrub renew. It's so nice, guys. It's really, you know, super small particles in it. I'm not sure what it is. Is it crystals? Not sure what it is, to be honest. It's just very nice, and that's what I've used on my skin this morning, just to give a quick exfoliation. I love exfoliating when I feel crusty, you know, like just like things aren't going good. Yeah, okay, let's start with the spray, because I do love to spray my face. First thing, so I'm using my beautiful Elemis Superfood Kefir Tea Mist. I love this one. It's really nice. It's like you're in a spa, you know. The scent of it is just alluring. Let's get that on. Oh, it really does smell like green tea or something like that. It's really invigorating, really nice. Just kind of makes you feel alive on the skin, and it really helps everything to sink in, eh? Like when you do a first spray before you do anything, it helps all the other products sink into your skin faster, which is what I love. You know, you want to make sure that you're getting the most out of your skincare, guys. You don't want it just sitting on top, right? So the next thing, guys, I'm going to use my Neogenesis Recovery Stem Factor Serum. I've been using this for a couple of months now, and I really like it. It has stopped me getting any acne except for today or this week. I've got a huge pimple here. Not sure if you can see it. Yeah, you can. And this stuff has not really taken care of it. The one thing about this Neogenesis, guys, it really helps with not getting any zits or acne. But it's super expensive, okay? I'm not going to buy another one of these. I'm just trying to finish this bottle up. It's just so expensive. But I found a newer product that I absolutely love, and it's the Osmosis Rescue. I love that Stem Factor. If you don't know what stem factors are, guys, they are really great for mature skin. They help with the collagen production, everything like that. Really, really good just for the wrinkles. I love it. This is my third bottle. Yeah, third bottle, and I've been using this for about almost a year now, and I have loved the results, but as I said, it's just so expensive. I'm sorry, Neogenesis, I'm going to have to just put you down for a little while. Yeah. Okay, next up, guys, is something new that I'm just testing out. This is the Paula's Choice Peptide Booster, and it's a new one from Paula's Choice. I love her stuff. It's just so affordable. Put on a couple of pumps of this. I'm very liberal with my skincare. I don't skimp on it at all. I love peptides. So good for our wrinkles, so good for everything. Fine lines, really good for us over 40s, guys. Even put a bit on these eyelids. If you can with your skincare, guys, let it sit for at least a minute before you apply the next thing. It just allows it to really sink in, but mine I can feel is pretty good. If you don't have the time, you don't need to. Okay, you don't need to wait. The next thing I love to add on, guys, is the vitamin C, and I love this one again from Dermatology. Dermatology. I'm not going, don't come for me, guys, if I'm saying it wrong. I actually don't know how to say it. Well, there's no E and there's no O, so I'm just going to say Dermatology, okay? This is the Vitamin C5 Renew Lotion. I was looking for a vitamin C serum, guys. It was like a cream or like a lotion, and I found this one. Affordable, not cheap, okay, but affordable to me. This whole brand is great. You guys should check them out. I mean, their stuff works. It's really, really beautiful stuff. So this is more of a vitamin C lotion, okay? It's what I was looking for. I like to put on 3 pumps of this. It's so nice. I love lotions, you know. There's something about lotions that just make me feel like I'm in a spa situation, you know, because they're not sticky. They go on really nicely and creamy. Beautiful stuff. Now this is the stuff I was telling you about, the Paula's Choice Hyaluronic Acid and Peptide Lip Booster. I love this stuff. It's really, really good. I carry it with me everywhere. And that would be it for the serums and stuff, guys. And even with this beautiful vitamin C lotion, sometimes I'll just leave my skin like this. I won't even bother with a moisturizer because it is beautiful and it's hydrating already. But every other day I love to use my beautiful skincare because I love the whole routine of doing a self-care ritual. It's just so satisfying, it's relaxing, and it's just, you know, a bit of me time to myself. And I know I'm doing something good. I'm looking after myself, I'm looking after my body, I'm looking after my face, you know, and it's just something about it. Okay, guys, I've got 2 moisturizers that I usually use on a very, 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 very fast day. If you want to get that SPF in there and a moisturizer as well, I love my Supergoop Super Screen. This one here, I'll link a photo somewhere, and it's just great. You know, you get your SPF of 40 in it along with the moisturizer, which means you're pretty much one and done, okay? But I'll show you what I've been enjoying and using on most days, and that's my beautiful Osmosis MD. Love this brand. They've got so many great things, guys. Now this is their face cream. It's called Hydrate, and it plumps and it moisturizes your face. It's really, really, really nice. It's quite different to anything else that I've used. So when you do apply this, guys, later on when you feel your face, it just feels a lot more plumper, hydrated, non-sticky. It just feels very silky soft. So I'm going to use that today, and I only put on that much there, and it's great, you know, like it's good under makeup and everything like that. Plumping. I'll wear it on the weekends, you know, when I'm not wearing any makeup, or even during the week. I don't wear makeup every day, by the way, guys. Put some on your eyelids too, and just get it everywhere. Got anything extra, always bring it down that neck, eh? Don't forget your neck, guys. I love this skincare ritual. It's really good for you. Guys, you don't need to use the products that I'm using today. If you have a very nice mist I think the most important is to have a mist before doing anything. Mario Badescu sells a really great one. I love his facial aloe mist. They are cheap, affordable, and his brand is so amazing. His stuff works. I mean, his brand's really, really affordable. And now I will put on a sunscreen. I have many sunscreens. I might go for my dermatology one here, or maybe even a Supergoop. I think I'm going to go for the dermatology one because I do love this. Now this is the untinted one. I also have the tinted version, but untinted's good for me. Now I'm just going to put on, I see on YouTube everyone saying, you need to put on like, you know, tablespoons of this stuff. I feel like what I've put on is enough. Yeah, and also let it dry down a bit before you put anything else on. I just love the whole ritual of doing skincare. I feel better already, honestly. I mean, ready for my day of positivity. I love doing these things, especially after work, you know. I come home after work and I love to have a shower, peel off the face, peel the layer of makeup off, and just be free. Do my skincare routine, man. I love it. It's just like my little piece of my time. I just say to everyone in my house, my kids, my husband, I'm gonna go do my skincare, you know, and I sit in there for as long as I want to. It could be a really fast one of like 2 minutes, 5 minutes, or I might feel like I want to add on a whole heap of, you know, products depending on what my skin needs. And, you know, if I want to be in there for 20 minutes to do my skincare, I will do. Love that. Okay. So there we go, guys. I'm all primed and ready. I think for makeup for me today, it's going to be very, very light. I am just going to chuck on a bit of Charlotte Tilbury's Wonder Glow. I love this stuff. So light, no coverage hardly, but it's just beautiful, beautiful, beautiful stuff, guys. I love Wonder Glow. It's one of my favorite go-tos when I don't feel like doing anything, okay? Eyebrows are necessary. You know, something you don't need to even wear anything like this. You can go totally barefaced and you would look amazing because your skin's glowing, okay? But eyebrows are necessary. I love these eyelash extensions, you know, because it's another plus. It's already done. And yeah, I'll let you know how they go, but you'll see me in future videos. And I hope that you enjoyed my beautiful, beautiful skincare routine with me this morning, guys, for those very tired days and you just want a bit of a pick me up. Oh, another tip from me too, guys, is to dress very, 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 very cozy. Today I'm wearing a nice fluffy jumper and just some very, very loose, what would you call them, yoga pants? Nothing much, just my jumper, you know. It's got a nice roll back here. It's very cheap jumper, guys, from Amazon. Yeah. But you can put it down like that if you want, but I won't be wearing it like that all day, but it usually comes up like you can even pull it up kind of like that if you want to hide your chest a bit more, but I quite like it like that, even back like that. Another way to uplift yourself, guys, put your jewelry on, put something on, even a pair of earrings, you know, but I'll be putting my jewels back on and that'll be me. But thank you so much, guys, for watching my video today. I hope you enjoyed my very quick, you know, get ready with me skincare routine. I'm gonna go away and put on my rest of my makeup, and yeah, I'll catch you guys later. And please don't let anyone get in your way, guys. Have a great day, no matter if you're not feeling it. Things will get better. Mwah.